JP thinks that he can kick my butt scroll sawing, so we're going to have ourselves a little competition that's coming up sometime in the future. We've been at it behind the scenes like crazy. I think Al from Odessa, he's heard a little bit of that controversy. Do you have anything to say about that, JP? I'm not going to just...
Keep running your mouth. Are you finished? Do you want me to...
No, I just had to throw that in there because I ran a blank and then I popped that into my head, so I wanted to shoot that out there.
I don't need to do no talking. I'll let my work do the talking for me.
It's going to be painful. The sting will hurt. Anyways, because you see, JP is a pretty darn good scroll sawer, newbie as he is, right?
Yeah, a newbie guy. I actually done this today for Mr. Red Smith himself.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared HIldabrant, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Sof, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Breck McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.